How to transfer money from Commonwealth Bank. To make a payment using the CommBank app, start by logging in securely. Once inside, tap Pay and then pay someone. You'll need to choose whether to pay by mobile number or bank account. The app allows you to select an existing contact or add a new payee by tapping the plus icon. For existing contacts, simply enter the amount and description, then select Next and Pay Now to confirm. If adding a new payee, tap the plus icon at the top right corner, select bank account and fill in the account name BSB and account number. Before finalizing any transaction, it's crucial to carefully review all entered details for accuracy. Once you're confident the information is correct, tap Continue with Payment to complete the process. Remember, verifying all information, especially for new payees, is essential to ensure your payment reaches the intended recipient.